Hi guys, it's Tech Jake here. Today, we're checking out something a little different from the usual tech you might see on my channel. We've got the Fargo HDP5000 dual side printing ID card printer, and this is the renewed version, model 89007. Now, this isn't just any card printer. This is a professional grade machine that's built to handle high-volume ID card printing with a lot of features that make it stand out in the market. So, first off, the design. The HDP5000 has a pretty sleek and industrial look. It's compact enough to fit on a desk, but it's definitely built to last. The materials feel solid, and the overall build screams durability. This printer is meant for businesses, universities, government agencies, or anyone who needs high-quality, reliable ID card printing on a consistent basis. It's not just a one-off purchase. This is something you invest in for the long haul. Now, let's talk about performance. The HDP5000 is capable of dual-side printing, which is huge if you need to print front and back information on ID cards. The quality is outstanding. We're talking crisp, vibrant colors with standard lamination included. The lamination is a big deal because it adds an extra layer of durability to the cards, making them resistant to wear and tear. And if you're worried about speed, don't be. This printer can handle batches quickly, making it suitable for medium to high-volume printing needs. It's fast enough that you won't be waiting around for hours to get your cards done. Another thing that really stands out is how user-friendly it is. The setup process is straightforward, and the software that comes with it is intuitive. You can easily design your cards, manage your printing jobs, and monitor the status of your printer without a steep learning curve. For businesses, this is a huge time saver, and for individuals, it's just convenient and easy to get started. Connectivity is solid too. You've got USB support, and depending on your setup, network options are available, so multiple users can send print jobs without any hassle. The printer also supports a wide range of card types and sizes, which adds flexibility depending on your needs. Whether you're making employee ID cards, membership cards, or access cards, this machine has you covered. One of my favorite parts about the HDP5000 is the lamination process. It's built-in and automatic, which saves a ton of time compared to manually laminating cards. The laminated finish not only protects the card from scratches and fading but also gives it a professional, polished look. It's subtle but makes a big difference in perception, especially if you're handing these cards out in a corporate or official environment. Maintenance is pretty straightforward as well. The printer is designed so that replacing ribbons and cleaning it is simple. HID Fargo has a reputation for making reliable printers, and this model definitely upholds that standard. Even in a renewed unit like this one, you're getting something that feels almost like new, with all the core features intact and ready to go. So, if you're in the market for a professional ID card printer that delivers dual-side printing, standard lamination, fast performance, and reliable durability, the HID Fargo HDP5000 is definitely worth considering. It's built for professionals, easy to use, and it's versatile enough to handle a variety of card printing tasks without breaking a sweat. Alright, that wraps up my hands-on look at the HID Fargo HDP5000 dual-side printing ID card printer, model 89007, Renewed Edition. If you're interested in getting your own unit, make sure to check the link in the description below. It's the best way to grab it and start printing high-quality ID cards right away. Thanks for watching, and as always, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future tech reviews. I'll catch you in the next one.